She arrived today. This is my first Fashionista from the second wave, and this is the one I really wanted. She don't look so good in the box as she did in the pictures I've seen of her. But I like the packaging, that it's just a zip. So I'll take her out and have a look at her. I got her from the entertainer. She was due the 30th, but I'm glad she arrived today. There's the picture on the box. It looks quite nice. Sorry about the reflections. And here's Dolly. Very nice. I like the fact that she's actually got heels. Oh, her hair looks longer than I thought. Oh, that's good. So let's get her unboxed. Oh, look how lovely she is. She wants to give me a hug. How lovely she is. I'm calling her Rio. I've already decided that before I got her. So, oh, pretty Dolly. So there she is, released. And well done, Mattel, because there were no nasty little things holding her in the box. It was just nothing but a little bit of elastic, or a little rubber band thing. So yeah, no nasty little plastic tags in the back of her head. Now what does it feel like? Hang on a moment. Bear in mind if you're thinking, oh, it's jerky. I've only got one pair of hands. Her head feels a little hard, and it's probably got glue in, but it's not too bad. I'm not really that bothered about that anyway, only if it starts coming out, the glue, which I don't think it will. I was going to take this thing off and put it on the petite doll that's coming with a tie-dye oversized sack that she's wearing, but I might give her another belt or tie something round and leave this on her as a little bit of a contrast. Let's see what she looks like without it. I don't think she really needs it, but oh, she's lovely. So here she is without it. What a pretty dolly. I should do a quick review. I have to put this up on my doll channel because I've only just put my Christmas tree vlog in today. Where are we? The 22nd of December. No, the 23rd of December today. And I've put my Christmas tree vlog in today, and I've got another full video that's not even been edited yet, and then I've got another one that's halfway through that's got to be finished, so that's 2 more. So I won't keep everyone waiting. I'll hopefully try and do a quick one and upload it tomorrow so people can see what she's like. This undoes in the front, which makes it rather easier. So as you can see, I'm not going to take it completely off. You know what they look like. And sometimes it annoys people if you take it off, and other times it annoys them if you don't, so you can never please everyone. But what a pretty doll. So this is Rio. Oh, I do like her. Just in time for Christmas, so that's good. I've got to show her with my surreal filming technique as well. Otherwise it wouldn't be one of my videos, would it? So there she is, very, very pretty. And I like the zip bags because obviously they can be used to store things in. This is nice as well. It's not cheap feeling, it's like sort of flannelette or something. I won't move about too. So Rio's going to sit in her bag and watch me have my candlelit bath. So here she is home now. I'm going to light up the Christmas tree in a moment. Oh, it's nearly 10 to 1 in the morning. Barack Obama's reading from his book, and the shipping forecast and sailing by beyond the moment. But look, there she is, there's Rio. Closer look at her face, so pretty. I'm glad she's not actually smiling like she is in the anime picture. She's so lovely.